guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the super gorgeous silver glittery eyes paired with this deep pink lip shade for New Year's Eve. And this is a sort of makeup look which I generally wear for attending any parties or occasions, and you can wear this look with a lot of your outfits because this is one of the versatile looks that I have created on my channel. And you can even wear a nude lip for this look as well, but I just love wearing this lip shade. So before going to that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. So as usual, starting with a clear face, I have applied moisturizer on my face. Now it's time to do my brows. So I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing it through my brows and gonna brush it down to just groom it up a little bit. Now for the brows, I'm using this Europe Girl Paris 3D Sculpt eyebrow kit, which comes with 3 eyebrow shades. And at first I'm taking the middle shade, which is basically an ash brown shade, and using the brush it comes with, I'm gonna outline my brow like this and gonna fill it in using the same product. So this is a really pigmented stuff, guys. So with this product you can do your eyebrows really fast. You don't need to just have a lot of hassle with this product, and I really wear it a lot, and it's really in an affordable range. So using a spoolie, I'm gonna just distribute the product all over my brows. Now I'm gonna just clean out the edges using a concealer. So this step is completely optional. If you are not comfortable just cleaning your eyebrows, you don't have to do that, but I just feel that when I'm cleaning my brows look really prominent. It adds a really nice shape to my brow, and also add a really nice lift to my brows, which I really enjoy. So I'm just using it like this, but make sure that you just blend out the concealer that you are putting surrounding your brows so that it looks really natural and nice. So you can see this is how I have created my bold brows. Now it's time to move on to my face, for which I'm using this Sugar Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Peach Poppin, and this is what is called a complete strobe cream, and I absolutely love this product, guys. This is one of the closest dupe of the MAC strobe cream, because I do have used the MAC one and it's having a similar texture, has got a similar feeling like the MAC one. So if you are just going to buy a really nice strobe cream, you can give this one a shot. So I'm just applying this all over my face to just make my face look really glowy, nice. And on top of that, I'm gonna apply foundation, and you can see it has instantly just added such a nice subtle glow on my face. Now for the foundation, I'm using the Faces ULTIME Pro Runway Ready foundation, which I recently purchased, but I just got a wrong shade in this foundation, guys. So I had to mix with my MAC Studio Fix fluid to just balance it, and using my fingertips, I'm gonna just apply it all over my face. Now using this PAC 003 foundation blending brush, I'm gonna just start on blending this product. So the MAC foundation is more on the matte side, and the Faces one is just like a skin. It has got a really nice dewy finish, but if you belong to really oily skin, I would advise you not to try the Faces one, because this will make your skin a little bit oily. So it is having more like a decent coverage. So along with the MAC foundation, I have got a really nice coverage mixing these two foundations together. For the concealer, I'm trying this for the first time, but I just fell in love with this product, guys. This is the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 04 Breve, which is a really nice medium beige shade having warm undertone, and I just fell in love with this product because of the coverage, because of the finish that this concealer gave. This is a complete full coverage concealer. It's really thick, but it blends seamlessly onto my skin. I don't have to tug or pull, and the coverage it gives is so high, guys. This is more like a PAC Spotlight Ready concealer, but it is having a little bit more dewy finish than the PAC one. So if you want to try a really good concealer, you can give this one a shot. Now to set my concealer and my foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Loose Powder in the shade Tweeny Light Medium, and I'm gonna just apply it right under my eyes, and also gonna set my eyelids with the help of the same product, and also applying it around my mouth, and slowly dust it off using a very fluffy powder brush. So basically I'm just setting my overall face with the help of the same loose powder. My face is looking now matte, but when everything will be done, it will be looking really nice and glowy. So as you can see, my base makeup done. Now it's time to do my eyes. So for the eyes, I'm using this super affordable Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in number 05. At first I'm taking this cool toned brown shade from the palette in a fluffy blending brush, and slowly applying it all over my crease as my transition color, and I'm just gonna build up the color over there till I am happy with the intensity of the shade. So make sure you just slowly build up the color on your crease. Now taking this cool tone dark brown shade from the palette in a tapered blending brush and apply it right in the outer 2/3 of my eyes like this, and drag it towards my crease to just blend it with the previous transition shade. This will help in creating a really nice depth in my eyes. And now going back to this black from the palette in a more precise crease brush, I'm gonna apply it right in the outer corner of my eye like this and not drag it too much. We'll be placing it over there and slowly in circular motions I'm going to blend it over there. Taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges so that everything looks nice and there is no harsh lines. Now moving on to this Lakme 925 Eye Quartet eyeshadow palette in the shade Silk Root, which has got this 4 shades, and taking this gunmetal shade from the palette, which you may call it a gray. I'm just applying it all over my lid like this, and this has got a really nice pigmentation as well, guys. So it's a very nice little eyeshadow palette with which you can actually create a lot of eyeshadows, because the shades that are there in this palette is really good. I'm just applying it all over my lid like this, and you can see this is really pigmented. Taking the fluffy tapered blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges so that everything looks nice and there is no harsh edges. Now I'm taking the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Molten Midnight, and this is how it looks like. And directly using the applicator, I'm going to apply it on the previous shade to just add a lot more glitter to my look. And using my fingertips, I'm going to tap it on to just make the glitters visible, but I am not at all happy with the look it turned out. So I move on to another glitter from this Glitter Mafia pressed glitter, and this is a shade called Slet, and this has completely changed my look, guys. So I just want this sort of glittery eyes, so I had to use this glitter. So I'm applying it all over my lid with the help of my fingers, and then taking a precise small flat shader brush, I'm going to define the edges so that it looks much more neat and clean, and you can see how gorgeous this looks like. Now moving on to the palette, I'm taking this light cool tone brown in a pencil brush. I'm applying this all over my lower lash line, followed by that dark brown shade in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. I just need to blend it really nicely so that it also looks identical with my upper lid shade. Taking that silver, that is gunmetal shade from the palette Silk Road, I'm also going to apply it right in the inner 2/3 of my lower lash line. And on top of that, I'm going to apply a little bit of that Glitter Mafia pressed glitter in the shade Slate. So you can see this has completely changed the look. Now for the kajal, I'm using Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal in the shade Black, which is so creamy, really long lasting. I'm going to tightline my upper waterline with the help of this kajal, and for my lower waterline, I'm going to use this nude eye pencil from PAC. I just love PAC products, guys, and this is the shade called Skin. I'm going to tightline my lower lash line with it. Now for creating the wing, I'm using this L'Oreal Gel Intensa gel eyeliner in the shade Profound Black, and with the brush it comes with, I'm gonna just create a really nice winged eyeliner. You can even just smudge out this liner for creating a smoky look, but since it's a party look, I just want that really defined bold black wing, so I am just creating a really nice winged eyeliner with the help of this product. Now it's time to apply mascara, for which I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara in the variant Washable Black, and this is how the applicator looks like. I'm gonna just coat my upper and my lower lashes with it. So this look definitely needs a lot more dramatic eyelashes. I'm gonna apply a pair of falsies as well, but make sure that you put a really good coats of mascara on both on your upper and your lower lashes. For the lashes, I'm using this inexpensive lashes which I purchased from a local store, guys, and these are so wispy. I can't provide you the online link because I don't think that these are available online, and these are really affordable, so I just need to wear it. And this is how my gorgeous silver gunmetal glittery eyes turned out. So you can see my face makeup done, my eyes done. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, for which I need to do a contouring. And for contouring my face, I'm using the Maybelline Matcha Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Deep, and I'm using the contouring shade with the help of this Wet n Wild contour brush. I'm going to put it right under my cheekbones, around my jawline, on my forehead, on the areas where I just need to add artificial shadows to just add a lot more definition and structure to my face. You can see this instantly just adds so much warmth to your face, and also gonna contour my nose a little bit to just give it a really nice structure. And you can see my chubby cheeks are now looking a lot more structured and defined. For the blush, I'm using the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. I'm using this a pinky mauve shade from the palette in a blush brush and directly apply it on the apples of my face. So this is really pigmented, guys, so make sure you apply it in really less amount. But if you think if you are just overdone your blushes, you can just use a foundation brush to just tone it down a little bit. So you can see this is how my blush cheeks looks like. Now it's a time to apply highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm using this same highlighter which comes in the palette of the Master Contour Palette of Maybelline. I'm gonna put it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, Cupid's bow, chin, nose, on the areas where I just want to add a lot more light. And these are not so chunky, guys. These are just like subtle glow on my face, also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes as well, and also gonna highlight my brow bone with the same highlighter as well. So you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. Now it's time to do my lips, for which I am just removing the excess lip balm with the help of this wet wipe, and then just evening out my lips with the help of a foundation brush. Now I'm taking this Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade Daft Pink, and this is a super gorgeous pink shade, guys. I just absolutely love this sort of pinks because this type of pinks look really gorgeous on every skin tones out there. It's really dark, it's really having a nice warmth in it, and suitable for the festive season, and it's completely 200% matte, and these are really long lasting as well. So I think for the dry months it will be looking a little bit dry on the lips, but I think if you put a really nice layer of lip balm underneath this, you will be really liking this product. I really love this lip shade, and even you can wear a nude lipstick for this look as well, but I think a bold lipstick completely changed this look. Now to set my face, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Setting Spray and gonna just spritz it all over my face, and this is how my overall makeup turned out. So that's all for today, guys. This is how I created this year's New Year's a party makeup look, and I'm super happy with the final result. You can wear this look with a lot of your outfits, and you can even wear this look for any weddings or occasions you want to attain. It's completely achievable, versatile look. And if you like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. Happy New Year to all of you. Sending you loads of love and blessings. Bye guys, I love you.